Hello everyone, good morning, welcome to Foodishly Kitchen. Today we are cooking POULET, a special dish from Cameroon, and I am with Pa. Good morning, Pa.
Hey Jesse, good morning.
Can you present us the vegetable we're going to use?
As you can see, we have some green beans, some carrots, some onions, and some tomatoes. And here Jesse is mixing the chicken. You can see the gizzards that she is preparing already, and she is ready to mix them up with the vegetables. She made a special marinade from the Foodishly Kitchen. Learn, subscribe, and always comment.
Okay, this marinade we are going to mix the chicken with is going to make the subject of another video. We're going to make a special video for you to see how it is made. We have to add some oil in the marinade to mix everything.
Well, that's so good, Jesse. It looks so awesome already. You're gonna at least apply that onto the chicken and make sure that it's so shiny and good before you fry.
And with the marinade, we have to add a special spice from Foodishly. If anyone wants to know how it is made, you can inbox me.
Alright, you can always ask questions in the comment box.
And right now I am pouring all the marinade on the chicken. I'm going to mix everything, and the next step is going to be the frying of the boiling of the chicken, because right now we're going to boil a little bit the chicken with the marinade before frying it.
Yes, and that's a good idea to always try to season the chicken for at least few minutes before you fry it.
So I make sure the marinade enter very well in the chicken before putting it in the pot. So actually I said boiling. I'm really going to boil it, but I'm using a little amount of oil to seize it a little bit, and when I will close the pot, everything is going to boil all with the juice of the chicken, and at the end we will open the pot.
Yes, you can see we have the vegetables alone has some quantity of water in it, so that's gonna create a little bit of juice as it mixed with the oil, and it's gonna create a very good mixture that you're gonna see at the end of the whole thing.
Okay, now that everything is done, we just have to cover the pot. We don't add any oil, any water. So this was the first step of the POULET. The next step, as you can see, is the frying of the banana. Yes, because POULET is frying banana and frying chicken, mixed all together with vegetables. I had already boiled my oil, and now I'm putting the bananas chopped. It is the sweetened one. How do you say sweet? Is it
Sweet
sweetened?
banana.
Sweet banana.
Plantain.
Sweet plantain, yes. Is there any difference? It's
You
banana
have
plantain.
yeah. It's the same group, the same family.
Okay.
Yeah. Just that we eat the banana normally, and plantain normally we fry it or we cook it with in any way we wanna eat it.
But do you know that there's some people who eat the raw one?
Plantain.
Yes, the raw one when it is
Wow.
sweet.
Wow. That's great. I've never seen that before, but I think it's gonna be so good. Guys, as you see how good that's been stirring. As we told you at the beginning of the video that the chicken is gonna be a little bit seasoned with the oil, and it's creating its own juice. You can see the gizzards that's taking a little bit of time to be seasoned and turning into a brownish lovely color.
It smells so good. As you can see, it has become a little brown. We have to take it from the pot and put it aside while we will be seasoning and frying the vegetables.
Yeah, for the meantime, it has to rest a little bit, and we continue with the plantain. Yeah,
And the
and
rest of the vegetables.
yeah.
So the pot is ready. We add the onions. This is 2 onions and 3 tomatoes chopped. Make sure that your oil is very, very hot. Not too hot, but just hot enough to sizzle it in the very beginning. We turn it. And as usual, we add salt and Maggi. This is Maggi. We also add garlic. And a small amount of ginger. This is like a small tablespoon of ginger. And again, our special spice. We turn everything, we mix everything in the oil. And we leave it for like 5 minutes before adding the other vegetables. While it is cooking, we have to look at the plantain to make sure that it doesn't become more than brown. And then we check the seasoning of the sauce. We add the rest of the marinade we use for the chicken. Turn everything, and right now it is time to add the rest of the vegetables. It means the carrots. We add the carrot first because the carrots are really a bit harder to cook, and these ones are still hard. We didn't cook it before putting them in the pot. So I put it first in the in the stew so that it becomes a little soft. And I will put the pepper, the green pepper and the red pepper in the very end before adding plantain and chicken. Are you still there, Mr. Pa, or are you listening to pot?
Well, I'm just enjoying the whole thing. It's looking so beautiful already, having the plantain being fried on the other corner, and in the big pot we preparing the beautiful sauce.
Here we are after 10 minutes. We add the rest of the green pepper, the rest of the vegetable. The plantains are okay, and they are only waiting for us to put them in the pot. If I can say it like this.
Well, the colors are looking so beautiful already, stirring it so good. It's wonderful that you put the green pepper the very end.
And this is another one. It is optional. The green beans. You have to cook it a little bit before adding. That's why I'm adding it at the very end. If you don't like it, you don't force yourself. Don't put it inside. But I like green beans, so I put it inside. And I wanted to make Mr. Pat test it.
It's gonna be the first time I'm gonna have a taste of this, because it's Cameroonian, as Jesse told me. So I've never had a taste of it. So it's gonna be the first time that I will eat this. I'm really eager. My mouth is watery already.
Okay, right now we're adding the plantain, the fried sweet plantains. And we are going to put the chicken at the very end. It's going to be the last adding. Oh my God, look at this. Look at the colors. We have to turn everything very, very well so that the stew can mixed with the plantain and get into the plantain to make it more sweet.
It's already been totally properly stirred, and that's good. Especially, can you see the green pepper? It's gonna be so good because that won't be 100% cooked, and that will be so good in the mouth. You're gonna have a taste of a real taste of that, huh?
It's important, and it is. We did it just like this in order to let all the vitamins inside. Cooking it at the very end it was in order to let the vitamins inside. So the last step, adding the chicken, the fried chicken, and the juice out, and of course the juice of the boiling meat. So the end of the recipe, the end of the cooking is a little energetic because we have to turn a big amount of vegetables, plantain and chicken. So we have to do it like slowly and like delicately. You see that? Don't laugh, just
You
help
gotta do it
me.
gently.
Gently, that's it. In order not to you have to mix them, but you don't have to spoil the vegetable or spoil the plantain or spoil the chicken. It's almost done. Right now you just have to wait for not more than 10 minutes and everything will be ready to serve.
Guys, as you can see how beautiful the results are, you can see all our things inside. You can see the plantain, the green beans, the green pepper. Oh, everything is looking so beautiful. I'm sure you all are feeling what I'm feeling right now, wanting to have a taste of that. Will you try it? Drop a message, send a comment.
Try it. You really have to try it. Try it, everybody. Try this recipe. It is very, very, very important and it is so sweet.
We thank you for watching our videos and being connected to us. And if you find our videos useful, please subscribe, share the videos,
Put a thumbs
and yeah, comment.
Leave us your message, and this is an idea of how you can serve it.